How to create a new Apple ID on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a new Apple ID on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. First, you will have to open up your Safari or any other web browser. After that, head over to account.apple.com. After you've done that, you should be on this page right here. So this is the account page for Apple. So there you can see Apple account. And right beside it, you will see a drop down button. Tap on that. Now tap on create your Apple account. After you select that option, you will be prompted to this page where you can create your Apple account. So here you'll need to type in your first name, your last name, your country, your region. So just select that. Your date of birth. So let me choose a date of birth here. And after you choose a date of birth, you will need to then, type in your Apple ID, the address for your Apple ID. You can select it to be whatever you might want. So I'll just type in whatever here. And after doing that, you can then create a password. And after you've created a password, type that in again to confirm it. Then you'll need to choose a country code. So since you are in United Kingdom, select that or any other country. Then your phone number. Now, the phone number part is important as it will require a verification. So it'll verify using a text message or a phone call. So just select whichever you're more comfortable with. Then go through the CAPTCHA and tap on continue. After doing that, you'll just go to the verification where you will get a text or a phone call and you'll have created your Apple account. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.